To view the Account and Settings menu, go to the top right corner of the window and click the gear icon. And then click Account and Settings. From here, you can edit any settings that are applicable to your business. First, let's review the Company Name section. Click the logo icon to add your logo. Click it, and then click the plus sign. Navigate to the location on your computer where your logo is, select it, and then click Open. QuickBooks now adds the logo to your company. Click Save. You can enter the business number in this appropriate field. After entering this information, click Save. And that saves that section of the settings. Next, over on the left-hand side, you see 5 different categories. Click the Advanced section. In here, we're going to edit the accounting settings. After clicking it, it displays several different options. The most important option we want to select is Close the Books. We'll toggle it to the On position. Now we'll enter our closing date. This is going to be the last date of the previous year. After selecting it, QuickBooks gives us one additional option. We can allow changes after viewing a warning, or if we click the drop-down menu, we can choose Allow changes after viewing a warning and entering a password. I'll choose the second option and enter a password. After entering the password, you're telling QuickBooks that no one can access any information in the last year. This is a great feature to make sure that no one goes back into a previous year and makes any changes. Click Save, and now you have set up a Close the Books feature. Finally, if you scroll down in the Advanced section, you'll see additional options under Other Preferences. Change the date format to your preference. After changing those settings, click Done, and you're ready to make additional setup steps in QuickBooks.